Hello dear Pisces, welcome to my channel. This is going to be your 4th week reading for the month of August, which is going to be from 18th August to 24th, and this is going to be your exclusive love plus career reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. We will be beginning with your love life first, and you've got beautiful cards, the 6 of Stars and the 8 of Suns. Now, let me just tell you, there are a couple of signs that have popped up. Not necessarily this is for you, but can be. You could have Aquarius or Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising in your own birth chart or in the birth chart of your partner. I do see proposal coming your way, good news coming your way. So you could be planning for pregnancy. You could be waiting on somebody proposing you either for marriage or relationship. So expect good offers, good relationship proposals, and good news coming your way this week. I also see there's a lot of love between the two of you. Maybe you have multiple options coming your way, but there is somebody who will touch your heart, right? It is also a heart of Cupid. So I do feel that Cupid is pointing an arrow on two people at the same time. So whatever relationship you will start now, or if you're already in a relationship or marriage, I do see that this is a beautiful union, love union. So this love is mutual. Both of you are equally head over heels and in love with each other. I also see that some sort of progress is happening in your relationship. That means that if you're single, you can be in a relationship now. If you are in a relationship, you can get married. And if you're married already, you can have kids this week or planning to, right? Whatever you have, whatever your relationship is, if you're an older couple watching this, there will be love between the two of you. And if you're already divorced, a lot of people ask me, ma'am, make a special video for divorced people. No, people who are divorced, please consider yourself as somebody who is single, resonating with a single video, which means somebody who do not have anyone at this point of time, but can meet a new person, right? So even you can meet somebody this week. It's going to be amazing. Some sort of proposal is coming your way, or you are proposing somebody and starting a new life as well. So take what resonates with you, and roles can be reversed at any time. Now let's see what's happening in your career now, which means if you are in a job or you are in a or if you're preparing for higher studies or you have your own business, this is for you. You've got the 8 of Spheres and the Knight card. I do see that you're overthinking and stressing about your work, probably the money part. Probably you realize either there are two things that are coming. Either you have realized that you made an impulsive decision and you quit your job, or you started something else, and maybe you made a bad decision and you want to go back to that previous job of yours or whatever business that you were doing before this. Or this week you're going to make a very impulsive decision, okay, which you might regret later. So all those Pisces who are looking to change a job or to end something, move away from something, please don't. Just because you did not get the results or the kind of quick money or fame that you wanted, that doesn't mean that this is not going to give you success in the long run. And that also doesn't mean that this is not a stable job. I do see that your energy is very immature right now, which means you want to end something and want to start something new, right? Because you want that quick money, that quick fame, that quick position. Now that is not going to happen. What you are in currently is equally stable, even if you cannot see it, even if it is not giving you the kind of results you want, whether that's a business that you started not giving you enough profits, or whether that your current job is not giving you the kind of income or salary that you want, right? Or if you have already given the exam, for example, once, right, and you did not get through, doesn't mean you give up right now. So if you decide to walk away from something this week, or switch your job in any way, or change your career in any way, you're going to regret later, is what I'm seeing. Because this is an immature energy, and whatever decision you're going to make this week is only out of impulse, right, or immaturity, not really thinking it through, right? So please make sure that you refrain from taking any action in your career. Stay where you are, stay put, okay? Let this week pass, or maybe the next few weeks pass, because this is also a time of Mercury retrograde, and your brain will tell you to do things which you're not supposed to do. Okay, it will push you to take wrong decisions which you're not supposed to take. Okay, I do see that if you take this decision, you're going to regret it later. So please don't leave your job or change anything this week. Okay, so this was your weekly reading, Pisces. I hope it clarified and helped you. And if you're watching this before this coming week, I hope you will follow the instructions so that you're not making a blunder in your life. Plus, yes, there are beautiful things coming for you in your love life, so do be happy for that. And yes, this was a general reading. If you have very specific questions on your mind regarding your own life, whether that's love, career, children, health, anything, you can book a personal reading with me. I take personal readings, rituals, spiritual counseling sessions. I have exclusive packages and love readings and no contact readings as well. So please check out the description box and email me if you want to know about the prices or to book any reading. Otherwise, you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle. And please follow me on Instagram because I keep on posting the prices over there. So you don't have to separately DM or email me to know the prices. Okay, every day on a daily basis, the prices are over there. I have very budgeted readings available. My one question reading starts at 215 rupees. My packages are under 1000 rupees, comes with a free remedy also, which is like worth rupees 251. It is called a blockage removal ritual, which will last you for a month. And these are the positive affirmations which you will do. You will be able to remove the blockages from that area of your life. So please check out the various services, choose what resonates with you best, and definitely book it right away. So take care of yourself. I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.